Come test drive the 2024 Express Cargo. The Chevy Express Cargo van is ready to handle all of your work tools, carpooling to work, or running the kids to soccer. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires, front all-season, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.